Hello, everyone. This tutorial will go over adding new instruments to your existing Ricus programs. Now, in order to add a new instrument to your labs account, we'll simply go to the configurations menu. The configurations menu is on the far left, the third icon from the top. Under that, we'll click on Instrument Configuration. Once we click on Instrument Configuration, you can see all the instruments that have already been added to your labs account. If you are an existing Ricus user switching from ricus.net to ricus.com, all the instruments that you had already added on ricus.net will be transferred automatically to the new Ricus website. In order to search for any instrument that you want to look for, simply go on the search bar on top and type your instrument's ID number or the manufacturer's name. So for example, let's say I want to search for one of my instruments, which is 3008-355. Now you can see that instrument, which is a Simmons instrument, appears. In order to activate or deactivate any existing instrument, we can simply go to the activated column. If the instrument is already activated, we can click on this toggle to deactivate the instrument, or if an instrument is deactivated, we can click on it to activate the instrument again. So as you can see, if I want to activate an instrument, a confirmation pop-up appears saying that this instrument will be activated. If I want to do this, click on yes. And now you can see this instrument has now been activated. I can also see all of my activated and all of my deactivated instruments by clicking on the deactivated or the activated tab above. In order to add a new instrument to your labs account, simply go to the far right and click on Add, choose the instrument's name. So you can put any name you want to. So for example, let's say I want to put RX Daytona plus A. I'll choose the manufacturer. In this case, this is a Randox instrument. So I'll click on Randox, and then I'll choose the model number, which is the Daytona Plus. Once I'm done adding all this information, I can simply click on the Save icon below. And as you can see, this instrument has now been created. In order to quickly search the newly created instrument, we can go on top and search on top. You can see I've just typed Daytona Plus, and then you can see the Daytona Plus A instrument that I've just created will pop up. And now assign assays to this instrument under QA test configuration, which will be the next tutorial. Thank you.